When a husband and wife conceive a child, an angel called Laila comes down and takes one drop, goes up to the master of the universe and says, Tipa zo, ma tiye alea? This drop, what will be the future of this drop? Is it going to be a man or a woman? Tall, short, rich, fat, successful? What's going to be the result of this drop? The master of the universe answers a long list, but it ends by saying, Akol bidei shamayim chutz miyirat shamayim. Everything is predestined, everything is decided before the person is born, who they're going to be, who they're going to marry, where they're going to live, how rich or poor they're going to be, success in life, and everything is decided by the hands of God. Bat yirat shamayim. The only thing that is not decided is how the person is going to form a relationship with the master of the universe, and which path is he going to choose to walk on. But if everything is predestined, then what choice do you have? Can you change the situation? Can you change your path? If something doesn't work how I want, will prayer change it, or any remedy? All these deep questions I'm going to answer in an amazing event on Rosh Chodesh Adar in Queens, New York, February 17. I invite you to a one-of-a-kind event. We're going to have food served, followed by music. Then I'm going to give a lecture of this powerful topic, and I'm going to share insights that you have never heard before. How to approach this entire big question is, do I have any control of my life? February 17, Rosh Chodesh Adar, Tuesday in Queens, New York. Follow the link for more information. Share this video with all your friends and loved ones. It's going to be an amazing, amazing event. See you there, and please share this video.